Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable magnifier in Windows 11. To do that, simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go to settings. Under the settings, you want to go ahead and click on accessibility, and you'll find magnifier in this list. So here you can click on it, and you want to ensure that you turn off the magnifier. As you can see right here at the top here, I have it off, but in case yours is on, as you can see, for example, this is the magnifier right now, it's on, but I can toggle it off and basically have it turned off. So that's how you can easily turn it off. So in case you have your computer like that and you realize the magnifier is there, you can easily follow those steps by heading into the accessibility to turn it off. There's also another way how to actually turn it off as well, is to simply go to control panel. Once you're inside the control panel, you are able to turn this off as well. And the easiest way how to find that is to go ahead and just kind of switch to the category view, then click on ease of access, then go ahead and click on the ease of access center right here. Then you want to look towards the bottom here, you'll find make the computer easier to see. Once you click on that, you will find in the list here turn on or off, basically magnifier. You can go ahead and ensure that this is turned off or not checked at least, then click on apply and then click on OK. And that's pretty much it guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and turn off magnifier or disable magnifier in Windows 11.